How to fix Steam Error E20. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Steam Error E20, that is E20. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing is you'll need to exit Steam. To do that, tap on this bottom here, right click on Steam, and after you right click on Steam, tap on exit Steam. So after you've done that, your Steam will shut down. And after you've done that, you will then need to open up your run. So press Windows plus R key and your run should open up like this. Now, before we move on, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get back into it. So here you will need to search for percentage sign, local app data, and percentage sign. This is what it looks like. Hit enter. After you've done that, you can then search for Steam on this folder. So search for Steam. There we go. Now all you have to do is delete this entire Steam folder. So you can right click on it and then tap on delete. After you've deleted the data, you are good to go. And after you've done that, your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching. That is how you do it. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.